Synclub, chat with AI character, create and explore stories. So here's the app. Synclub is AI chat platform where you can create and discover unique AI characters inspired by your favorite anime games, stories, books, movies, and TV shows. Chat freely in a creative and welcoming space. Whether you want to explore stories, share ideas, or simply enjoy conversations, Synclub offers a place to interact with AI characters anytime. Discover a world of AI characters, create your own AI characters, AI voice conversation, chat anytime, anywhere. So available anytime, diverse characters, personalities, create customized AI characters, creative community. One of the popular apps, can be alternative to Chai app. Chai app right now is has token limits and is blocked. So this can be a nice alternative. So that's what it is. And then you can just open it up and then you can just try to message. There is also the discovery feed. And then you can just see and then just chat. Then there is your account. Then there is your wallet. You can add rewards, daily tasks. For all of this, you're getting coins. Pretty cool. Or you can just buy coins. Summary, transaction details, wallet. So yeah, create AI character, and then if you want, you can upgrade for $13 per month. So that's the app. Try it out.